Well, I'm about to go out here and see if there are any other survivors after the great mother of all blizzards of 2011 here in Michigan. Okay, let me look and see. I don't see my neighbor's dog, who's usually in the backyard. Maybe she didn't make it, the dog. I was counting on eating that dog if I got hungry. Let me go around the front, see if there's any survivors. Okay. Oh my goodness. 8 to 12 inches of snow we're supposed to have. Oh my God. Oh, the inhumanity, the destruction, the damage. Oh, there's your United States Post Office truck over there. And there's a postman way down the street. Oh my goodness, I see no survivors. It's only me. Okay, maybe I can follow my tracks to get back to my house in case I get lost out here. And all of this debris from the great mother of all blizzards of 2011. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to start back towards the door. If I can only find my footsteps. Okay. Woo. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let me hold on. A breeze is coming. Oh, I can only make it back to the door. I'll make it. I'm there.